Hello. In this video, we're going to look at some definitions. First, the inverse sine, cosine, and tangent functions. So the inverse sine, that's what this -1 means as the exponent. So inverse sine of x is equal to alpha, provided sine of alpha equals x. In other words, this is how you get rid of the sine function. And specifically, it's from -90 degrees is less than or equal to alpha is less than or equal to 90 degrees. Now, on the unit circle, that specifically is the right half of the unit circle. And it has to be between -90 degrees to +90 degrees. That is for this one. And that's also going to be for this one down here. This is for the inverse tangent. So for the inverse tangent of x equals alpha, that's only provided that tangent of alpha equals x. And alpha is between -90 to 90. Now, inverse cosine, well, cosine is between 0 and 180. In other words, it's on the upper half. So it's up here. So it's the top two for cosine, or inverse cosine. For the inverse sine and tangent, it's on the right half. Now, trigonometric functions of an acute angle with a right triangle. We have stuff listed here. You can read through it if you want, but I prefer to think of it as so, ka, toa. Sine equals opposite over hypotenuse, cosine equals adjacent over hypotenuse, tangent equals opposite over adjacent. And then the reciprocals are just, well, flip these two. But this is easiest to remember. Now, I did mention this in the last section, and this is only for an acute angle of a right triangle. And that's basically an acute means just between 0 and 90 degrees. In other words, it's a right triangle, and the other two angles are less than 90 degrees as well. Well, they'd have to be. Alrighty. Well, I'm going to go ahead and end the video here, and I will see you in the next one. Have fun.